of sugar and over sugar you will add some water. Now you are going to add 2 tablespoons of yeast. Now mix it well together. After mixing, it will look something like this. Now you have to only cover it for 10 minutes. Now let's move on to the next step. You will need 2 cups of maida or flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it together. And we are going to add half cup of milk. And we are also going to add oil 3 tablespoons. And the yeast that is now raised. Add it in. Now mix it well until it is formed into a dough. Like this. After forming it into a dough, now oil it up. Now let it rise. So now after rising, it will look something like this. It means that our dough is ready. So let's move on to next step, which is now we are preparing barbecue pizza. You will need 1 breast piece boiled and cut it in cube. Add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. And mix it well. So our chicken is ready. Let's move on to the next pizza. Now we are preparing the fajita pizza. You will need oil 2 tablespoons. And you are going to add another breast piece of chicken, boil it and shred. Now you are going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt or according to your taste. Now mix them well together. Now after that you are going to add coriander. And now also our fajita pizza topping is ready. Let's move on preparing them. Now spread some flour and lay the dough. Now after that, you have to take a pan and spread oil like this. And then you have to lay the dough on the pan. Then what you are going to do is you have to press the edge to make the crust. Now with the help of a fork, poke it in the dough like this. This is how it will look like. Now after doing this process, we are going to bake it at 150 degrees for only 1 minute. Now once it is out, it's hardened enough. After that, we are going to spread 1/3 of ketchup over the pizza. Now on one portion, spread French sauce. And on the last portion, spread barbecue sauce. And done, all the 3 portions. Now we are going to spread some mozzarella cheese. After that, add chicken in the fajita section. And some vegetables as follow. And now some pepperoni on the pepperoni side. And now add the barbecue sauced chickens on the barbecue portion. After you are done, spread some more mozzarella cheese over them. After that, some garnishing. After everything is done, now bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Now it will look something like this. Now we are going to do some little more garnishing, then it is ready. Now this is some sauce. And here our yummy dish is ready. This recipe is much loved recipe because everyone loves pizza. Thick pan pizza 3-in-1. This is such a delicious recipe you all must try and share with your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.